Bonjour, Kinamagi Nene Ireland Dijnikas, and welcome to today's technology lesson. Today's lesson from 21 Things for Students, one of the gold quests under basics, files and domains. The gold quest is found under the basics, as I've opted to include these in our basics. If you have not completed one of the previous ones, I strongly recommend it, as it'll provide a foundation that you can use going into next school year. I'll show you a little bit of details here, how to get to them. By just clicking on it, it'll bring you to that quest. When you get into here, there's always, this one is there, here we go. Believe it or not, there is not a method to share it with me. So you're going to kind of just look over this on your own and then let me know that you've watched it. Normally there would be a student checklist, or make sure you do your introduction, your I can statement, your investigation scenario. And you can see that we have some spots where you can add. And it's important that you actually look at these and add on, open them up. And if it says plus, it'll make it bigger. There's a video clip here, and there would be a negative. At the end, what I want you to do is to take the 9-point quiz and then take a screenshot of your score. You can do that using your device or even a cell phone, just taking a picture, and then send that to me at mireland@sagchipschool.net or text that picture to me at 989-750-1640. So this is a relatively short one compared to some of the others, but still pretty important. In our next session, we'll look at techie equipment, valuable communication tools coming up. And just so you know, even though we're kind of going through one a week roughly, we do intend to double that to 2 a week, but not this week. But if you're like really into social networking, you could move yourself down there at some point and do those quests. I don't anticipate us getting all the way down there before the end of the year. So that could be something you do independently. And when you do these, you have whenever you find one of the checklists, feel free to share it with me. Follow those directions and I will mark it off that you've done it. But the key part is it'll help you be ready for next school year, because we are now halfway through this first 5th grade year. We're in between semesters at this minute. Tomorrow starts the 2nd semester. So enjoy learning about technology. Don't forget to send those images to me to show me that you've completed it. Otherwise, have a minno gishigad, minwa bamapi.